We're back at Sorrento's Ristorante at Chelan Cellars with absolutely incredible food paired perfectly with estate-grown wines. Guests are sure to have a delightful and memorable experience. Take one look around and you'll realize this is paradise.
You've got the view, you've got the atmosphere, and the food.
Divine, delicious. I was gonna say definitely really good.
When I built this, I knew it was about food, it was about wine, it was about the culture.
Founder and owner Dr. Bob Jankelson wants to bring a special experience to guests, whether they're visiting, wine tasting, or dining.
The view of the lake, the wine, the food, it doesn't get any better than this in Chelan.
We're on the south shore of Lake Chelan. They consider this the Golden Mile.
Garrett Grubbs is the head winemaker at Chelan Cellars. With such an incredible grape-growing region, this is the perfect place to make incredible wines.
We grow 14 different varietals here, white wine, red wine, production's on site.
You know, tasting a lot of the local wine has just been really great.
This is fantastic.
As many as that, we make 21 different wines, so there's something here for you. We have
absolutely.
you.
It's Italy here in Washington State.
You're always relaxed if you're in Chelan.
I get to cook with your executive chef today.
John Webster.
Yeah.
John and the winemakers work so closely together. They're in contact constantly, and they're always trying to complement both the wine and the food.
Yes, thank you so much. To La Dolce Vita, right?
Cheers, da Dolce Vita. Salute.
We have just a beautiful array of food. What are we gonna make today?
Today I'm gonna make some pork ribeye steaks.
I can help you.
All right.
You do you, and I'm here to help.
We start cooking the pork with some herbed compound butter and fresh rosemary.
Do you ever pinch yourself when you show up to work? Because this is like one of the most beautiful places, breathtaking.
Yeah, I love working up here.
So we have some Washington-grown asparagus.
Yeah, that's actually from Lake Chelan. It's right on the
Awesome.
Columbia River.
Oh, that's great.
Secret asparagus spot I got.
I love that. And then the cherries.
So they're actually dark dried, and then I'm macerating them with our 22 Barbera. The maceration process will just kind of give them a little bit more life, kind of let them rehydrate, and they'll absorb that wine. They're delicious.
They're delicious. That's good.
They grow really well here. It might spit a little bit at you, but if you want to pour that wine in here,
I can do that.
yeah, just dump it all in there. Beautiful.
Yeah.
It just has such a robust flavor. I think it's gonna really pair well with the dark fruity of the cherry. I love using our wine in our food.
Yeah.
20 plus years in the industry, I learned a little trick about tenderness. So open palm is rare,
Okay.
and then finger down is medium rare. Then next finger down is medium, medium well, and well done.
Oh,
Feel
that's
that
crazy.
change?
Yes.
It's like denser.
Yes.
Yeah.
For the demi-glaze, we add in some red onion, garlic, a veal demi-glaze, and a special butter compound.
Like each step, it smells better and better.
Yeah.
While the meat rests, we add our Washington-grown macerated cherries to the demi-glaze. For the asparagus, we keep it simple with salt and pepper.
You guys like to do it up high.
Yeah. Perfect. Beautiful.
Yes. Beautiful. Get a
Some of that sauce on
cherry.
there.
Oh my gosh, that's heaven. Rich, but then you get a cherry, like a little bit of tartness maybe.
You know, right out of the gate, I'm getting that marbled pork, that rich, robust flavor, sweetness from the glaze and the wine. And then that cherry did just pop right in there. And it was, tart, like you said.
Oh, that's so good.
For this and other chef-inspired recipes adapted for home cooks, visit wagrown.com.